Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. First, let me say I am not a doctor. I've never been to medical school. I am doing this video because one of my male friends had kidney stones, and I'm saying had because he passes out kidney stones over the weekend. He said that it was like sun. He took natural remedy and passes out the stones over the weekend. So I am going to tell you what he took, hoping it can help someone out there who have been diagnosed of having kidney stones by a medical doctor and want to flush it out without taking medication. So my friend woke up with pain over his right side in his kidney area, and it got so intense that he went to a doctor the same day. The doctor suspected that it can be kidney stones or an infection. So the doctor did a urine test, and the result revealed that blood is in his urine, and he said the doctor told him that is one of the telltale signs that it is a possibility that it is kidney stones. So the doctor sent him to do an ultrasound the same day. So he did the ultrasound, and by that time he was in severe pain. So the doctor gave him an injection, right? So he got back the ultrasound result about 3 hours later. He went back to the doctor, and of course it is kidney stones. So the doctor gave him a prescription, but he's the type of person that do not like to take medication. So he went home and he went on Dr. Google. Now he said he saw a lot of home remedies how to flush out kidney stones, but he chooses one, and that one helped him. So I'm going to tell you which one he did. But first, let me tell you what is kidney stone. A kidney stone is a solid mass made up of tiny crystals that forms in a kidney from substances in the urine. A stone may stay in the kidney or travel down the urinary tract. A small stone may pass all the way out of the body without causing too much pain. A larger stone may get stuck in the passage, block the flow of urine, and cause great pain. Most kidney stones are made from calcium oxalate, that is calcium combined with oxalic acid. Several other types of stones occur, but they are more rare. About 80% of those with kidney stones are men. Now, kidney stones may lie dormant in your kidneys for a long time and are only discovered when they show up on an X-ray or ultrasound. They can, however, cause problems like backache, urinary tract infections, blood in the urine, kidney damage, and the dreadful renal colic. Now, drinking more water creates larger quantities of more diluted urine and discourages stone formation. He said the doctor told him that he should drink more water as well. Drinking lots of water helps to flush away the substances that form stones in the kidney. Distilled water with lime or lemon juice, coconut water, cranberry juice, watermelon juice, and dandelion tea are particularly helpful. Orange, grape, and carrot juices are high in citrates, substances that stop the formation of both uric acid and calcium salts. So, yes, he squeezed like one lime in a glass of water and then drink it. Yes, and he drank the dandelion tea as well. So, drinking more water can prevent the formation of kidney stones, right? Yeah, man. So this is what he did now. So he purchased some asparagus, hope I pronounces that word correctly, at the supermarket, right? And then he also purchased a 2-liter bottle of Coca-Cola, the one that the original one, not the no other brand, original should be written on the label, right? So 2-liter bottle of Coca-Cola and the asparagus. Yes, so what he did now when he went home, he washed the asparagus according to him, and then he put it into a small amount of water. He didn't put any salt. because the doctor told him to stay away from salt. And then he cook it, right? The asparagus. After him cook it, then he allow it to cool, and then or you can steam it as well. But he said you can steam it as well, but he said he cook it, and then he allow it to cool, and then he put the asparagus into a blender with a little bit of water, the water that it boil into, and then blend it out until it resembles like soup or puree, as we would say. And then he ate it. After eating it, he said he drank the the um the soda, the Coca-Cola. Yes, he said he drank it, and he said he felt as if he wanted to urinate from he was eating the asparagus, but he delayed urinating because that's what they said on Google. And when he couldn't take it anymore, he said he went and urinated, and then he looked into the bowl, but nothing was in it. So he said in the morning when he got up, he went and urinated, and when he looked into the bowl, a lot of sand like particle, yes, in the bowl, in the toilet bowl, yes. And he said he ate some more, drink some more Coca-Cola, went to urinate, and he has been passing stone from ever since. I spoke to him yesterday, and he said that he just passes just a little tiny bit of stone, but it is like sand. So obviously the Coca-Cola, whatever ingredients in the Coca-Cola, I think he said that the Coca-Cola is high in phosphoric acid, so it is powerful and it dissolves the kidney stones, yes. So it crush it out to nothing, making it seems as if it is sand. Yes, so he's not in pain anymore. So if you have been diagnosed with kidney stones, you want to try this home remedy, hope it will work for you because it works for him. He told me that it is a painful situation, so hopefully it will work for you.